Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my second channel. Today I'm at camp and we are currently on a bus going to Tomahawk, which is a lodge on the lake.
I need to get by.
We're gonna be vlogging our Tomahawk trip. It's my whole cabin. Cabin 7. Let's do the chant. We'll do our chant once everyone's on the bus. We're gonna be vlogging our day at the lake. We're driving up in the afternoon right now and we're going to stay the night and float down the river tomorrow morning.
Rainbow River. Woo!
It's the Rainbow River Tomahawk Lodge. That's what we own for like the camp. That's their property. Welcome to a camp vlog. 3, 2, 1. Cabin 7, straight from heaven. Out of 10, we're at 11. Yeah. I said out of 11, we're 10. I think everybody needs to introduce themselves.
Hi guys.
I'm Bryan.
Wait, if you guys remember us, oh, I'm not supposed to look at the viewfinder. If you guys remember us, we were in last year's TCC video.
I was the girl that didn't know anything about makeup.
I was the girl standing in the back. I mostly just danced. I'm Viv.
I'm Maggie. Okay.
I'm Natalie.
This is my cousin. This is Ellie, also my cousin. And this is Bree. Mary Margaret! Say hi.
Say hi. Everybody.
Hi, I'm Lauren. You want to say hi? Hi. We are driving to Tomahawk Lodge. There we go.
There's Megan.
Those are our two counselors, Maggie and Megan.
Yeah. Can we all say something really awkward when Maggie gets back in?
Like what?
Everybody say gecko. No.
Okay,
it's not
yeah.
awkward.
Gecko. 1, 2, 3.
Right. Gecko! This is Maggie and she's driving the bus.
Oh. What? It is? Maggie, we're gonna die.
Oh my gosh.
We can't vlog in the car because of copyright, but there's Steven. Bye, Steven. Bye, Steven. We made it.
Woo! Everybody go, woo!
This is why Vivian doesn't record.
Oh no. You broke it. This is our, where we're sleeping for the night. Doesn't it look very comfortable? It literally looks like we're staying in a jail cell. But we slept in this exact same room last time we were here last year. And then here's Maggie and Viv.
No, we definitely
sleeping on the floor.
It's more cool out here. You're being stupid.
How do we explain Tomahawk?
It is a lodge that the camp owns.
But
Oh
like
my God,
not,
I look so pale.
it's not on camp property though. It's like 40 minutes
30
away.
minutes away from camp. And we come and stay here, and then the next morning we go down the Rainbow River.
We're here, it's the afternoon, and we hang out, we set up. And now we have to go help unload the car. So, we got changed. Oh, Bree! We got changed, but we're gonna go into the Rainbow River now, so I'm wearing my bikini. I'm gonna cover myself so I don't get demonetized, because YouTube loves to do that. We're gonna go in the Rainbow River. I don't know if I can vlog.
in the bathroom.
It's me.
Oh.
I don't know if I can vlog in the river, because I don't want to get my camera wet. But you brought your GoPro, right?
Yeah, but my bathing suit bottoms are like dirty from the lake, so I'm gonna wash them now. Hey guys! Do you want to record on it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going on the swim.
You might, there's like water.
We got back from going on the river and it's like 7 o'clock now and we just got pizza. Yummy. We got pepperoni. Ellie and I are sharing pepperoni. Hi Josie. Josie got no sauce. They're already eating. This is Natalie's pizza.
Mackenzie, if she sucks. Like,
Oh!
just kidding, I love Katie.
Ellie ate the whole pizza all by herself.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did.
Natalie, did you eat all of that?
Oh my god.
She ate the whole pizza by herself. Oh, I ate all the pepperoni off of all the pizza. Guys, look at the Coke. It's Bubba. Ew, Natalie, you're disgusting. Can we do our chant?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cabin 7, straight from heaven. Out of 10, we're at 11. What's your chant, Cabin 8?
Cabin 8.
Always late to go. We don't care. Yeah.
Hi guys. Welcome to Katie's Beauty Parlor. You want to vlog for me, Megan? Hey guys, we're out here at Tomahawk. Super cool, super fun, super fresh. I'm literally looking at myself right now and I look like absolute trash. There's grease on my fingers from the pizza. Is it recording now? Okay, hi. What am I supposed to look like again? This is Josie. She's getting her hair done by Caiti. My first year at camp, I was with Caiti and Maggie and Ellie and Natalie. They didn't really like me up until me and Caiti started being friends. So we ate dinner, which was pizza, cabin 7 and 8. And now I'm braiding Josie's hair.
Hey guys.
Maggie!
In this game, just not leave Tomahawk. She's already recording. It is not being recorded.
We're getting ready to box right here, so we're setting up. We finished our little circle game, like team bonding thing. I'm with Ines and Josie, but we're about to have girls wrestle now, so enjoy. This is not happening. Oh my. Well, that's what our cabins look like. She's in cabin 8, I'm in cabin 7 because we're older. Maggie. They're literally not even on the ground.
Oh, what's gonna happen? Oh, they both have each other. Oh.
Caiti, come on, Caiti!
No, please don't grip her. They have been wrestling for like 10 minutes against each other and it's not going anywhere. I look like a librarian. Tonight has been really fun, but I want to slap box. Natalie beat me in boxing. I didn't box, but she slammed me against the floor and now I have rug burn. I'm so sunburned. It's 10 o'clock at night and I'm exhausted. They're still wrestling. They're literally still wrestling. Been wrestling for like an hour. We've been sitting here doing nothing. Paige is gonna go down the stairs on a mattress.
That was so bad.
Good night vlog. It's 12 o'clock at night. Good morning guys, so it is now 8 o'clock the next morning and my whole cabin and cabin 8 are going to be going tubing down the Rainbow River. So what you guys didn't see last night is, let me set this up. Around 11:45, Nat, Ellie and I came back into our room to go to bed because we were exhausted. And then one of our counselors, Maggie, came up into our room and was like, "You're being lame, don't go to bed." So she made us go back downstairs. And back downstairs, I fell asleep on the floor and apparently a bunch of guy counselors came out to Tomahawk and pranked us all. I had no idea because I was sleeping, but I got pranked too. I got pranked because while I was sleeping, the entire cabin 7 and 8 took a purple Sharpie and drew all over my back. I didn't feel like videoing it because I was grumpy and tired because at that point it was 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't have any video of it, but hopefully someone got a picture or something because that'd be great to put in the video. Then after like they wrote on me, I made them all take it off and that took like 30 minutes just to get all the purple Sharpie off. Today we are going tubing down the Rainbow River. We just woke up and we ate cereal. I blew up my floaty, so I'll go show you. That's what we're doing. Obviously can't take the camera out, but I will vlog on Maggie's GoPro, so it'll be fun.
You could potentially lose and not be upset if you lost it.
This one's mine, this one's Maggie's, and this one's Nat's. Maggie, Natalie, Ellie, Vivi. Guys, we're now on the river.
It's so cold.
It's really cold, and there's no sun out, but the UV is 11.
UV rays.
So we have sunscreen on because we don't want to get skin cancer.
Oh, Vivian! Thank you, Doc, for taking all the ouchies away. So much better now. It's Doc McStuffins.
Wait, take one of me going down.
Okay,
One,
ready?
2, 3.
I just kicked the rock! Ready? Hold on, look. I'm having way too much fun. Nope.
My company and why I like you to choose Cooks. When Cooks comes to your home, you can be making Cooks the most trustfire deals on living room, dining room.
So we got back from tubing down the river, and now I'm gonna get everybody in our cabin Polar Pops, which are just like really big sodas. So 79 cents. Oh my gosh. And it's huge. I know, it's so nice. Go pick your poison. These are all the Polar Pops for my family members, but we made it back to the cabin. So obviously we made it back from Tomahawk because we're in our cabin now. I popped a pimple on my chin, so that's really cute. Katie got us Polar Pops. Basically, we went on the river, which all the footage you saw is from Maggie's GoPro. And then once we did that, I came back and took a nap, and then we all cleaned up the Tomahawk Lodge, and we drove back to camp. And on the way back, we stopped at Circle K, which is a gas station, and we all got Polar Pops. They're just really big sodas. I got lemonade though. I got big old lemonade. They're not expensive, so that's why everyone like does it. But we're back from Tomahawk. That's our Tomahawk vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little camp vlog. There will be another one probably coming soon. But other than that, I don't know if there will be another. Bye! Peace in the Middle East.